Hello. Alright, I'm going to show you how I went about printing the ramp bools for the SkyCity Industrial Sector. So here we go. I've dragged in the ramp and it's already orientated on the bed the way that it should be for how I do this. This is by no means the best way to do it probably, or this is just how I do it. Okay, so right, so I've got it on the bed and here I am using my 0.12 with a 0.8 wall thickness. So there's a wall thickness. As you can see, you've got monotonic order and an ironing on. You don't necessarily have to have those on. See the difference those will make. There's the infill density. That's the temperature from the material I'm using, which is ESUN PLA+. There's some print speeds. There's 50, so it's average sort of thing. And down here is the support settings. So I've got supports on normal. I've got them everywhere. You can leave that alone. Doesn't really matter. Lines and 5%. Now that's the same as my infill settings. Also, I have the raft for extra stability and accuracy for these parts. I don't want any warping at the edges or anything. Okay, so I'm slicing. So this has got everything on that. So I do this if I had a nice overnight one to do. I might do it, and this will give me the best quality. Right, but I can turn off a few things. Adaptive layers, for instance. That's quite a large reduction in quality, and that will knock off an hour and a bit. So, and then you can get rid of the ironing and the monotonic stuff, and that'll give you a further reduction. So, but these are all reductions in time, but reductions in quality. The ironing is not so important for this part because it's not flat to the bed, so it doesn't have so much of an effect. And here you can see the supports that are needed for those parts, but they're just the same as the infills and they work pretty well. So they are quite well attached because I've got rid of any way of it having a attachment to the part. Sometimes it does a special attachment part, so I've got rid of those, so it's just the infill. I'm now swapping to a 0.16 layer and then going to slice that and show you just the small change, what difference that can have. So there we go, we've sliced off some more hours. So you're now down to 8 hours, which is kind of like a sleep period, I suppose. If you wanted that, but if you want it faster than that and you want it in the day, so you can see, you know, I'm switching back to the other one to show you. So yeah, it's like an hour and a bit difference, and there we go.